Before 2007, we were using a standard industry caliper for Formula One, really, and it wasn't really able to give us the performance differential that we were looking for.
The main engineering challenges with designing an F1 brake caliper are to achieve the ultimate in lightweight, at the same time stiffness. The combination of those two is essential.
So an opportunity came to partner with Akebono, who we knew of and have high regard for. And what we were looking for was excellence in our product, but a long-term relationship whereby we would get the levels of innovation and excellence that we know Akebono are capable of, and that's what we've got.
Stiffness is key to the driver's confidence in the brake and also in his ability to get the brakes on very, very fast in order to get up to the maximum brake pressure as quickly as he can at the beginning of the stop.
Akebono, a large organisation with diverse interests. Their Formula One programme is founded upon great technology, hard work and excellence in everything that they look for.
McLaren and Akebono engineers meet regularly to discuss the programme, to identify opportunities for development.
When you're approaching Formula One caliper design, you have to remember that the engineers on the car are looking for something that's very lightweight, able to withstand the huge temperature gradients that it's going to see. You know, brakes are heating up at something like 1,000 degrees a second, and we want that heat managed very carefully. They have to be lightweight, but the driver's looking for real bite and consistency in the corners, and that's a total systems approach. So you mustn't look at a caliper as a component, you've got to look at it as part of a total system on the car.
Akebono is a very innovative company, so they have worked very hard throughout the partnership, delivering the latest ideas. We believe we have an exceptionally good caliper, the best caliper in F1.
Undoubtedly, the calipers from Akebono provide us a performance advantage. We see that in terms of weight, heat, the classic things you get with calipers like pad drag, for example, which means that when the calipers aren't on, how much does the pad drag against the disc? And we're looking in Formula One for fractions of a percentage difference in the performance. So every little bit, whether it's weight, heat, drag, reliability, gives us a performance edge.
There are several very tough circuits for braking. Singapore is a very tough race. Canada is a very tough race. Before those events, Akebono and McLaren engineers worked together in order to conduct tests to define the best configuration of friction material and caliper choice in order to both manage the wear throughout that race, so achieve the endurance we require, but also maintain the optimum performance.
Every driver that we've had at McLaren, and we've had some good ones, has a slightly different driving style. We're fortunate enough at the moment to have two back-to-back world champions, and they do have very different driving styles. Jensen is accurately and famous for his very smooth driving style, and Lewis is somebody who will very much get the car turned in the corner very quickly and get on the power and get out. As a result of that, their use of the brakes is quite different. I think McLaren works very well with Akebono in terms of our quest for high technology, our need and desire for innovation, and of course the underpinning of a high quality product and system. I think that Akebono's commitment to establishing resources here in the UK, as well as backed by phenomenal support from Japan, is just part of that long-term commitment to excellence that both organisations share.
There are many good calipers in Formula One, but we believe in Akebono we have a great caliper.
3 words to describe Akebono for me would be restless, reliable and innovative.